38. The question is, Johnson left 1 lakh rupees with the direction that it should be divided in such a way that his minor sons Tom, Dick, Harry, aged 9 years, 12 years and 15 years should each receive equally after attaining the age 25 years. The rate of interest being 3.5%, how much each son received after getting 25 years old. So each one, here it is given that we have to invest in such a way that each one get same amount. So what is the amount after 25 years? How much amount each one will get? That is the question. And the answer should be same because it is already given in the question. All must receive same amount. Okay. Now Johnson has 1 lakh rupees at present and he wants to distribute this 1 lakh rupees among his three sons, Tom, Dick, Harry. Tom is 9 years old. So obviously after 16 years, he attained the age of 25 years. Dick is 12 years old. Dick is 12 years old. So obviously after 13 years, he becomes at the age of 25. And Harry is 15 years old. So after 10 years, he attained the age of 25 years. Okay. Here we don't know how much amount we have to give to Tom out of this 1 lakh rupees. So let us say out of 1 lakh rupees, X amount is given to Tom at present. Y amount is given to Dick at present. And Z amount is given to Harry at present. So obviously total of these three X, Y and Z should be equal to 1 lakh. Now whatever the amount Tom received at present, how much? X rupees. He will get interest for 16 years. And the rate of interest is given 3.5%. Rate of interest is 3.5% is given. So he will get interest 3.5% on this amount for 16 years at rate of compounding, at compounding interest. So we know the formula for total amount, A equal to P in bracket 1 plus I raised to N. So after the end of 16 years from today, how much amount he will able to get or received? So this X is the amount he received at present. Now he will get interest of 3.5% for 16 years. So after the end of 16 years, he will get X into 1.035 raised to 16. Why? Because he get interest every year and that is also compounding. For how many years? 16 years. So he will able to get this much amount after the end of 16 years. So let us calculate this 1.035 raised to 16. 1.7340 or 73398 means 1.7340. 1.7340 into X. So X is the amount he received at present, but after the end of 16 years means after having the age of 25 years, total he get 1.7340 into x, 1.7340 into x. Okay, Deek will get how much up when he will at the age of 25 years? Right now he is of 12 years. So he get interest 3.05 for 13 years. So y into 1.035 raised to 13. So this is the amount received by D when he will at the age of 13. It is 1.5640. So 1.5640y. And let us calculate for Harry. So it is z into 1.035 raised to 10. So 1.035 raised to 10, that is 1.4106 into z. Now in the question it is given that all this amount must be equal. So here 1.7340 into x, this is the amount Tom will get when he will at the age of 25 years. This amount received by Deek and this one. So this is we have to given in the question. So let us assume this is equal to k. So 1.7340x equal to something, 1.5640y equal to something, that is same k, and 1.4106 into z equal to k. So x equal to k divided by 1.7340, y equal to k divided by 1.5640, and z equal to k divided by 1.4106. So what is x? So you can keep this this as it is. Okay. Now we know that total of x plus y plus z is 1 lakh. That means k upon 1.7340 plus k upon 1.5640 plus k upon 1.4106 equal to 1 lakh. Let us take k common. So 1 upon 1.7340 plus 1 upon 1.5640 plus 1 upon 1.4106 equal to 1 lakh. Let us calculate this. Very simple to calculate this. So 1 divided by 1.7340. Whatever it is, let us put this in memory. Then 1 divided by 1.5640. Put this in memory. Then 1 divided by 1.4106. Put this in memory and let us recall the value. So it is 1.9250. 1.9250 ultimate value, and from that we are able to calculate k. That is what we want to find out. So k equal to 1 lakh divided by 1.9250. Okay, 1 lakh divided by 1.9250. So the answer is 51,948. 51,948. That is our final answer. So because what is K? K is nothing but this 1.7340. That is nothing but what? A. And that is the amount each one will receive when they attain the age of 25 years. So that is the way to solve this question. Okay, anything else? Anybody have any another problem? Any problem to anybody? In any of another example? Any doubt? Okay, so I assume that except